Hello and welcome to our beginner's guide to SEO. If you're new to digital marketing, SEO might sound like a foreign term. However, it's a crucial aspect of online marketing. In this video, we'll be discussing what SEO is and how it works. Today we cover the complete SEO guide in 8 simple steps, so let's start. 1. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERP. In simple terms, it means making your website visible to people who are searching for the products or services you offer. 2. How does SEO work? Search engines like Google use complex algorithms to determine which websites should rank higher in search results. These algorithms consider a variety of factors, including the relevance and quality of your website's content, the authority of your website, and the user experience of your website. 3. On-page optimization. On-page optimization refers to the various elements on your website that you can control, including your website's content, title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs. By optimizing these elements, you can help search engines understand the relevance and quality of your website's content. 4. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization refers to the various factors outside of your website that can impact your search engine rankings. This includes backlinks, which are links from other websites to your website. The quality and quantity of backlinks to your website are important factors that search engines consider when determining your website's authority. 5. Technical optimization. Technical optimization refers to the various technical aspects of your website that can impact your search engine rankings. This includes your website's load speed, mobile friendliness, and site architecture. By optimizing these technical aspects, you can help search engines crawl and index your website more effectively. 6. Keyword research. Keyword research is the process of identifying the keywords and phrases that people are searching for related to your products or services. By optimizing your website's content for these keywords, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. 7. Content marketing. Content marketing involves creating high-quality content that provides value to your target audience. By creating content that people find useful, informative, or entertaining, you can attract more traffic to your website and improve your search engine rankings. 8. Local SEO. Local SEO involves optimizing your website for local searches. This includes optimizing your website's content for local keywords and phrases, building local citations and backlinks, and creating a Google My Business listing. In conclusion, SEO is a critical aspect of online marketing. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can attract more traffic, improve your search engine rankings, and ultimately drive more conversions. Remember that SEO is a long-term strategy, and it takes time to see results. However, by following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can improve your chances of success. Please consider subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for your support.